see you. Veda? What? What do you think of me?
For what?
Well, if you don't get to marry Mr. Bixley.
I guess.
And where is his glasses? He can't see without his glasses. Put his glasses on. Put on his glasses.